the strength to fight. 'Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night.